I had a guaranteed win against a billion-dollar company, but I walked away from it. Here's what happened. My client was injured at a Dallas restaurant with clear liability. The insurance company dragged their feet for months and went radio silent. So we filed suit and we had them served, and then we waited. Their deadline to answer came and went. We drafted our motion for default judgment, e-filed it, and was ready to go down to the courthouse. All I had to do was walk into court and take the win against the multi-billion-dollar Dallas development group. Perfectly legal and justifiable. Instead, I picked up the phone and called their chief legal officer. I told him, hey, someone fucked up. You're about to get defaulted and I've got the motion filed. He thanked me, asked for a couple business days to fix it, and I gave it to him. Their big firm lawyers filed an answer and we proceeded normally. Just last month, we settled for well into six figures and my client was ecstatic. So why not just march into court with that motion? Because it wouldn't have really been a win. They would have moved to set aside the default, and then we would have spent the next several months fighting about procedure instead of my client's injuries. In the end, the judge may have granted it anyway. But here's the real reason. Reputation capital matters. The mediator knew I was reasonable. The adjuster knew I was serious but fair. The defense lawyer owed me one. The judge saw professionalism, not gamesmanship. That reputation capital got my client more money than a procedural trick ever would. I don't want to beat you on a technicality. I want to beat you on the merits. I want to beat you on the facts. And I want to beat you on the damages. Most lawyers would have taken that default and then bragged about it. We just destroyed them. That's short-term thinking. The result? Playing the long game actually got my client paid faster. No motion practice, no appeals, no procedural delays. Just a check. After mediation, their lawyer actually thanked me for that call. We remember things like that, he said. Sometimes the smartest move isn't the obvious one. Sometimes the long game is actually the fastest route to getting paid, and this case proved it. If you want a lawyer who knows when strategy beats shortcuts, click the link in my bio. I don't need tricks to win. After handling thousands of cases and over 100 trials, the insurance company knows we'll go the distance.